Hi, my name is Dave with Hammond Valve, and today I'm going to show you how to install a high-performance lug butterfly valve. The first thing you're going to want to do is to make sure that your flange surfaces are clean and that there is nothing or any debris in the piping system. You're also going to want to check your valve to make sure that everything is clean, there's no debris on it. Then when you mount it, you're always going to want to have some help or a lifting device. The Milwaukee Valve High Performance Butterfly is meant to fit between an ANSI 150 or 300 ANSI B16.5 flange. The gasket material you want to use for the high performance butterfly is spiral wound, gasket, or ring material. You want to insert onto the 4 bolts so that the gaskets will line up. Once you have the gasket material in, you want to install the rest of your bolts finger tight. Once you have all your bolts installed finger tight, then you're going to want to torque them to the SAE standard for the bolting material used. And you're going to want to torque them in a star pattern. Then you'll want to move up to your 2/3. And then on to your final torque. Once you've reached your final torque, you want to operate the valve to make sure that all the clearances are there between the valve and the pipe. Then you want to install your second flange. Install your gaskets on your 4 bolts. Then install the remaining bolts. And apply your torque in 1/3 increments. Two-thirds. And final torque. After installing your last flange, you'll also want to check the valve again to make sure that there's all clearances. I'm Dave from Hammond Valve, and that's how you install a high-performance lug butterfly valve.